Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save Adobe Express as PDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Saving your design as a PDF in Adobe Express is a simple process that offers several benefits depending on your needs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of amazing designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. Now in my case, I'm working with this specific design, all right? And I wanted to download this project as PDF or save it as PDF. You see, if you go to the file section, there isn't an option for you to save as PDF. But there is two options where it says download, all right? If you click on the download option, what will happen is you have the option to choose two PDF formats. Number one is PDF standard, which is best for documents. All right, you can send it to email, save it to your local drive, and a lot more. But if you want the PDF which is best for printing, just click this option. Now you see you have more choices here. You can choose the add crop marks and show bleeds, because if you include bleed and crop marks for easier trimming after printing. All right, and all I have to do is click the download button. Once the file has been downloaded, all right, you can do a lot of things here, right? Now you can press Ctrl plus P in your computer, or Command P if you're using Mac. From here, you can print the PDF that you have saved. All right. You can use these orientations such as landscape, portrait, and of course use the paper size. All these options. All right. Is it gonna be a photo size or full page or wallet size, letter, flip page, or shrink to fit? So you have all these at your disposal. You have the page margins, which is gonna be a uniform. If you click on the more settings, you would have an option for the paper size as well. Click on OK, and of course from there just click on print. All right. Now another option for you is you might want to go to the share button if you want to save a copy of this amazing design as a PDF to your cloud. You can choose any of the following options. Save it to Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Issue. All right. Because the idea is that PDFs, all right, maintain and preserve the quality of your design, making them ideal for printing higher resolution documents, posters, flyers, or brochures. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.